Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss or rather we will play the compositions we will play the composition of Raag Desh. This composition will be on Teen Tal, Madhyalaya. So I hope you have gone through my earlier video where I describe how to play Raag Desh, Tarahan, Avarahan and Pakar. In this tutorial, I will only play the Bandish. Okay? Let me show you the compositions notations. And let me play the tabla. Dha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, dhin, dhin, dha. Re ma ga re ni sa te te dhin dhin dha dhin dhin dha. Now see the third line. Tin 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 ta te te dhin dhin dha dhin dhin dha dhin dhin dha. Ma re ma pavan ma pa ni sa pa dha pa ma ga re van ma re van ma van pavan re ma pa ni sa van avan. So I'm playing it. Dha dhin dhin dha